So hi guys, welcome to another video. My name is Barbara and here we do a lot of lifestyle, beautiful, inspiring content. If you like more of these videos, kindly please don't forget to subscribe and turn on your bells so you don't miss any of my videos. So on another thrift flip. Remember we did this pillow? Yes, we did this pillow. It has really served me well. Now moving on to another thrift flip. There's this dress that I bought. So I thrifted a dress. And this is how it looks like. It's a vintage kind of a dress. It's black and some checked. Do they call this checked? This design over here, it's checked. So I thrifted this for 50 shillings at Decor. You know the drill. And I want to make pillowcase out of this. Yes, I just want to make 2 pillowcases now that I know the material is smaller. So on the other side, I'll be using this material. So this material is leftover. Actually, this is from a bed sheet that I also thrifted. And I got quite a number of pillowcases from this bed sheet. So I'll be using this for one side. And then I'll be using this part for the other side. So let's take this material down. Now that I know the stitching is very hard to take down with the ripper, I just cut it off with my scissors. Then we're going to measure the same pillow with a measuring tape. So I'll be using a measuring tape. And we'll be putting zippers. So let's get straight into the video. I know. So apparently the material, this material that I told you was a leftover from the other material, it's not enough. But we have found out that this can actually fit 2 pillows, and we're just going to work with this. So let's measure the material, because this is how the pillow should look like. This is how the pillow should look like. So if we double this for one pillow and the other pillow, we are going to get actually 2 pillows, which is enough. The material is enough. Actually underestimated that it won't fit for the pillow, but apparently it's enough. It will fit the material. So let's just cut. Get this to the sewing machine. this is a totally different day, and we're done with the sewing. Sorry about the blur part of the videos that are there. So we're done. We put a zipper, and I did like a box shape. So there's a box this side and a box this side. A box, this is what I mean. I have just come an inch inwards and I have stitched going down, so it's just the side parts. So that is the first one, then this is the second one, the same thing. So I also did another pillow. This is how it looks. This is a white one, a completely white one. And this is the other one. So let's put them in the cases and see how they look like.
Bittersweet and I'm walking slow. Sensitive, feel the afterglow. Looking for things that I can't control. Fear from my past cause it always shows. Do I wanna try? Can I let it go? Running from the past, wanting to be sure. Chaos in my mind, constant deja vu. But every time, it comes back to you.
So this is how they look like. And this is the other one. So we have two of those. So this is just to encourage someone to put an inspiration out there that you can actually thrift something so nice. You can actually thrift anything, or rather you can actually have anything that you can actually transform it into something else. So it's okay if you don't have a sewing machine, you can always use your tailor. You can just take your pillow, get it measured, give them your material, show them how you want them done, and there you have it. Save your coins. Yeah, saving your coins. It's all about the inspiration in this channel. So we are done with this one. Let's put the white one and see how it looks. Actually this is cream, isn't it? Yeah, it's cream. This is the other cream. This is what I was saying, the box shape. But this is how the pillow came, so it's fine. So we're going to put it like that. And this is the other one. So this also, we are going to put it like this. So with this one, brings with the box shape, it brings a completely different design for the bed. So yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you so much guys for watching. Until the next video, bye.
I'm still